It's just the road that goes next to a canal.
That's what the Groms are made for. Why not drive the Grom through that? There's no ground clearance.
Do you want to go down the bike path?
Well, why not? We're already here. You good?
Yeah, I feel like there's something that keeps like kicking underneath my left foot.
Oh.
I don't know if it's the kickstand, but
No, it looks fine from here.
that's just like, you know, it's like one of those like weird things that like, I don't know where the hell this goes. Can't imagine anybody uses this thing.
Sure some people do. But we'll find out shortly.
This all goes to a new neighborhood.
That's right. And some wheelbarrow circle thingies of doom.
That's the end of it.
Keep going. Kind of want to go.
Yeah, I think this one goes to his little property thing, I'm sure. So.
Yeah, cross it. I might totally use this as a shoot location. I think this would be rad.
Yeah, so I don't know where this goes though. Trev?
Yeah. So I'm just taking a quick, snappy shot. It's a cool spot.
Oh, there's a lot of bindies over here.
Oh yeah. Holy shit, front tires got a lot of those. That's totally fine.
Oh, damn. Look at my pants.
Holy shit!
Yeah, that was a terrible choice to come over here.
Oh, absolutely. Oh, that's all these things are, is just bindies.
Oh yeah, a lot of bindies over here.
That's hilarious, actually. I feel like these are weapons of war now. Maybe I won't come over here anytime soon.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Good thing they're not going to flatten Grom tires.
No. Yeah, that was a terrible idea.
Still kind of hilarious, actually. Where'd you go?
Just underneath the bridge. Next to a lot of wasps, or I assume those, I don't know if those are... Jesus Christ.
Oh, man. Well, let's get them off us first. Then I'm just going to say we should go...
Or should we not be dicks and do this on the trail?
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Should we go,
Fucking back tires covered in them. Yeah, let's go to the parking lot up there and do it.
Or at least go to maybe like a patch of grass or something? Or let's go to the gravel that's over there.
No, let's just go up there and just do it next to the parking lot. I'm not so much worried about the ground tires, so those things will come off.
Yeah.
Man.
This parking lot?
No, just go straight. Those little fuckers, man.
Oh no!
Yeah.
This one right here?
Nope, just keep going. Go back to the Home Depot parking lot.
Ah. Oh, that's even a better idea, actually.
That's fucking hilarious. It's when you know you've done fucked up.
Got bindies!
Got fucking bindies everywhere, man. God damn. It's right on the sidewalk, it said. In a cornfield, we said. They get covered in bindies, we said.
We should just make a video of this. Can the Grom go through it? Yep, totally can. Doesn't mean it should. I can't.
That's a terrible idea.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, you could just go over here and, I mean, that was fun for what it was. If anything, it'll just make another day of content for videos and shit.
We get the biddies!
Look at this.
That's hilarious.
Didn't ever think there'd be a sticker patch over there.
You need some help there. Oh.
And do it away from the motorcycle.
I'm not really so much worried about the ones on the motorcycle.
No, they'll flick off after the centripetal force will take them off.
I feel like you need some help with that.
Oh, I totally need some fucking help. Like one of those things, I'm like, I could totally go home and like just get rid of these fucking shoes. Like that, the shit, like it doesn't hurt, but you could definitely feel them.
That's the most hilarious thing I've seen in a while.
No, I was like, I'm more worried about like my pant legs and shit.
Yeah, the side pieces are super vulnerable.
The what?
The side pieces and the leather in between the fingers.
Oh yeah.
You good there?
I think so. I think I got all those ones. Yep. It'll be a fun episode of Shenanigans, though. We learned today. All of them?
Yeah, looks like all of them. You got one on your left foot. That sucked.
Yeah, that was a horrible idea. That was terrible. That was funny, though.
Yeah.
What did we learn today? We don't go off-road.
Well, we don't go off-road there.
Yeah.
Recording.
Removing bendies part 2. Oh, damn it. Okay, keep going. I should flick them away from me, not towards me. Right. Can you go forward? There you go. All right, can you go forward? Yep. That's all of them for that one.
Let's move up. Get away from the...
Yep, let's keep yeah.
All of them?
Yeah, that's all of them.
Perfect.